Today we're going to make a beautiful salmon poke, sort of a classic Hawaiian dish. If you've spent any time in Hawaii, this is sort of a traditional take on poke. We're doing a Tamari ginger garlic poke with a beautiful piece of New Zealand King Salmon that's been slowly defrosted in the fridge and then thoroughly dried with paper towels. We're going to start by removing the skin as close to the skin as we can. We're going to do some relatively thick slices of the salmon, and when we get to that center line with the extra thick connective tissue, we'll remove that. Once it's been sliced, we'll cube the salmon and set up our marinade, which is simply tamari, fresh grated garlic, and a little bit of pickled ginger juice. That marinade on the salmon will just sit there for a few minutes while we prepare and plate this dish with a bit of fresh sushi rice, some perfectly ripe avocado cubed. We also quickly pickled some cucumbers in a little bit of vinegar and sea salt. We then added a bit of kimchi, some everyday seasoning from our friends at Daybreak, seaweed, and a little bit of extra sesame seeds, as well as some pickled ginger. The dish is very classic, bright contrast of pickled, fermented, and fresh ingredients, classic flavors of Hawaii paired with beautiful sushi-grade, lab-tested, mercury-safe, microplastic-free Seatopia King Salmon. Aloha, mahalo for joining us on another Seatopia recipe.